you're tracing the boundaries, right? Of
This is the second step. Yeah.
Second step, right?
Yeah, that's your second step.
Basically, yeah.
Okay. So like I left them 36 inches now because wheelchair access. Okay, so just gonna have the bench here. This way, if you want to bring a wheelchair around, then you can. Okay. That's it.
Yeah.
Okay, guys, get some carretas. We're gonna put the carretas here for easy to bring.
Ito yung pinaka flooring. Kasi ito pala, gala-gala upuan doon kaya meron din concrete doon, pero nakaabang lampar doon sa bench. Dito, yung bench doon ilagay. Yung bench, diba lalagyan ng bench? Ito doon.
Oh, you know, we have paint.
Lalagyan ng pero hindi to Dito yung bago.
Lalagyan dito sa
Dito.
pasok sa loob ng
Hindi. Ito na yung floor pala yung ating flooring. Hanggang dito, nakita itong line. Ito yung flooring. Ito yung bench.
Hindi pala itong flooring natin hanggang dito?
Hindi. Kasi yung flooring natin, yung dating kung ano yung merong merong mga ganito slabs, yun ang flooring natin dati, di ba? Yun pa rin So yun pala, gano'ng kalaki lang. Yan ang second floor yung nimarkan niya. Can you also mark later on the first floor?
Huh?
Yeah, later on if you can mark the first floor boundaries.
We can mark that too.
Yeah,
Let's do
so
that.
we can have an idea.
Where is the,
Is the
So mangyari,
bench, the bench movable?
pwedeng yung bench naka-bolt lang. Pwede mong i-bolt, pwede mong tanggalin kung ayaw mo. Or palitan ng bago in the future kung nasira yun.
Okay, what was the February from the half? What was the number we said?
For the flooring,
108. Yeah, 108.
108, 216, right? For the 108, 216, 108.
Get two wheelbarrows facing each other like that. So don't put another one over there. Hold
You
this
want-
over here. Oh.
Okay.
Go halfway. You halfway?
Yeah.
Go down. Go down. So Brad, go right to there. Yeah. That's half? Yeah.
Just half.
Okay.
Approximately. Yeah.
So 108 is right here.
No, just dump slope.
It's here.
Nah, dump slope.
And then
so
the
leave
other
like
side.
this. 1 second. Now.
Pero maganda sana kasi ito yung dating flooring kasi kung pa yung kinasya Pero kung dito rin pala, kung yung buong flooring ito maganda malawak. Pero mas mahal yun. Magkulang yung 60. Kukulangan yung 60. Ano nga ba? Ito pa, ito yung dating flooring 60 na yun 6,000. Hindi, kung dito din pala, kukulangin yung 60. Kasi mas maraming materials na gamitin.
So ano ito? Hindi na ito
Ito, hindi ito cement. Ito na yung cedar. Ito. Cedar sa paupuan. Hindi na cement. Yung cement hanggang dito na. Nakita mo yung linya?
Yan ang linya dyan.
Yun, minamarkahan niya yung yung second flooring doon dito lang. Ngayon mamarkahan niya ngayon yung first flooring.
It doesn't matter how slow.